I got this for Christmas from my brother. I've been meaning and wanting to get an air fryer for the longest time, but I don't know if it was worth the investment and the counter space, but he got me a really small one, which is a 3.5 liter capacity, and it serves 4. It's pretty slim, it looks pretty slim. Okay, so we're gonna be unboxing this today and checking it out, testing it out, and see how it does. I'm actually really impressed how light and portable this air fryer is. Check out the link in the description below if you're interested to find out more information on this air fryer. Actually, I'm really excited to test this out. So we're going to wash the basket and try it out today. So it's pretty slim. It doesn't take out a lot of space. It's actually really tall, but counter space wise, it doesn't take up a lot. I do like the design. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to use with the timer on top, temperature, pretty simple, and the tray. So the wings are in the air fryer, and what I noticed back here, you gotta be careful, is that there's the hot air coming out, so just be careful not to put it against a wall or have anybody get too close to it, especially children. It is because it is really, really hot. I do notice one good thing is that the oil drains to the bottom of the basket, which makes it super healthy. So this air fryer is actually really easy to use, and I noticed that the meat inside is very juicy and moist, and the outside is crispy. So what's great about this air fryer is that it has this quick cooking guide, which has the proteins that you want to cook here, and then it has the time and the temperature and little tips here, and whether you need to shake it or not midway. I have in here right now cooking our frozen bread chicken pieces, so very easy, simple, straightforward to follow. There's the time, there's the temperature. So I've had it in here for about 10 minutes now. We're gonna open it up and check it out when it dings. Super simple to use. Okay, so it just dinged. Now let's open it up and see how these chicken pieces look like. Again, first time using an air fryer, and wow. Can you hear it? It looks beautiful. So we're gonna let it cool down a little bit, and we're gonna give it a try. So if you listen to it, it's crispy on the outside, so, and slightly golden brown, which is beautiful. There are many different air fryers on the market and they use the hot air technology. I'm really impressed at how this all turned out. I'm happy that I got one. This is what the air fryer looks like inside, and very easy to clean. Just basically use a sponge and a little bit of dish soap and wipe it clean and wash it clean. So this whole part actually can be washed, which is awesome because I'm not using any foil paper. It's eco-friendly, reusable. I'm not using any other liner on my pan just to put it in the oven. And it's so quick and easy, literally 10 minutes and these were ready and golden brown and crispy. So highly recommend the air fryer for these frozen, already made chicken strips and sweet potato fries, fish sticks, chicken wings. So pretty good, really quick. So hope you get a chance to try one of these machines out too. Owen's going in for the bite. There goes the plum sauce and the chicken. I can hear the crunch. Do that one more time. Let's listen to that crunch. Dip, and let's listen to the. Does it have a crunch? Good.
Of course it's good.
If you want to see more air fryer recipes, please leave a comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching.